How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change a spending limit for Instagram ads. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Instagram application in your device. On your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on it. Now once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner and from here scroll down a bit, head towards For Professional section, tap on Creators, Tools and Controls. Here, tap on the first option, that is Add Payments. Under the section, select your first option. Now under the billing and payment section, if you have added your payment method and if it's fully verified, here under this section you will have an option as account spending limit. You have to tap on account spending limit, and once you do or tap on account spending limit, navigate to top right corner. There you'll find an option as edit. Tap on edit and now select an option as change. Now under that you could add your preferred spending limit, and once done, tap on save, and with that your spending limit for Instagram ads is now changed. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.